long and lasting love. A long and lasting love that many people find, and that those who do their whole life for the heart and soul behind it. A long and lasting love, a long and lasting love is what I always dream of, and when I long